Kumusta po kayong lahat?
Good morning.
Good afternoon na, June.
Okay,
Noon time na. At June, balita naman natin sa kanila kung anong gagawin natin ngayon.
Ito, nakabihis tayo dahil pupunta tayo ng awarding ng mga service, 20 years service sa NHS.
June, this is the Long-Term Service Award for the NHS staff dito sa amin sa Stepping Hill Hospital. At kami ni June na-invite. The invitation came through August time, no?
Yung email, no?
And we sent out yung aming confirmation round about September.
Yung mga long service.
Mga long-term service awardee.
Dito sa
At dito sa program na to ay sabi alas 12, 12:13 na ay may soup at saka sandwiches na ibibigay.
English.
English na English. At 1 o'clock magsa-start yung ceremony. Up to about 3 o'clock lang naman yun. Maganda lang kasi they've taken the initiative. Sa tingin ko 2 years na ito, 2 years running na ito, if I'm right.
Ma-recognize yung
Ma-recognize yung mga long-term service na mga staff. Kaya natuwa naman kami ni June at magkasama kami.
ano kaya makakuha natin, no?
Ano kaya makukuha natin aside from the soup and the sandwich? Pero okay na rin
Bigyan
yun.
lang natin.
Tingnan lang natin kung anong mangyari doon na
Kasi ano lang
we
naman.
didn't know what to expect really.
Once lang
Pasensya na
naman
kayo at nasa crossing kami. Tinitingnan namin kung safe na bang mag-cross. At yan na. Okay. At lunchtime kaya maraming tao sa daan.
Ay, yung pupuntahan pala natin, no? Football club to. Kilalang football club dito sa Stockport.
Dito sa Stockport po, very local yung mga areas na pupunta natin ngayong araw.
Yung Stockport County. So, tingnan natin kung anong mga ata natin doon.
Gutom ka na yata, Jun eh.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Tingnan mo naman yan. Talagang, I really love the autumn weather. Yung autumn season at saka yung spring season. Yun ang mga favorite ko na mga time of the year.
Ayoko ng winter. Malamig.
Winter talagang hate na hate ko ang winter.
Malamig masyado.
Masyadong malamig at saka tumitigas yung aking mga joints. June, it's just really nice to reminisce how we started dito sa Stockport, no?
Oo naman.
Kasi
Marami na
maraming pagbabago and when you think about it, ay bakit nga ba tayo lumipat dito, no?
Yung affordability.
Affordability. At the same time, we were visiting East April every week.
Titrain
And it was
tayo nun.
costing us a lot in train tickets fare. At ganun din, gusto namin mapalapit sa pamilya during that time. Haywire po, nung naglumipat kami dito, talagang dumating kami. Yung tirahan namin, may nakatira pa. Titirahan na, supposedly titirahan natin, may nakatira pa, di ba?
Oo. Yung removals, no? From Cambridge,
From
no?
Cambridge, kinuha ni Jun yung removals papunta dito. At
Layo
wala na
din.
kami galong mga
Gamit.
gamit nun. At saka si Jun, nung lumipat kami dito, wala pa siyang trabaho. Kaya ako lang talagang we took the chance. Sabi namin, bahala na. Talagang walang kaplano-plano. That's a good thing about being young, no? Kasi you just take the chance at bahala na palagi. Yung parang come what may.
Matanda ka na, settled ka na.
Pag tumatanda ka, doon ka nagpaplano, it just makes things complicated sometimes.
Oo.
Pero tatandaan ko, June, kasi hindi pa natin alam yung daan dito. For my interview, nilakad natin ito, June. Tatandaan mo?
Oo,
From a train station going to Stepping Hill Hospital. Hindi ko alam kung ba't hindi kami nag-bus nun.
Gusto natin ma-familiarize.
Yung buong, buong E6 talagang trinek namin nila June. At si Miguel nasa push trolley pa. That is her humble beginnings. At itong dinadaanan natin ito, dito kami nag-renta nila June. So, may isang floor po dyan. Dyan. Ayan, yan pala. May isang floor po dyan dito sa Shohit. Ang dumi-dumi na nga, oh. At nilinis namin yan ni June, sobra-sobra.
Mabait yung may-ari.
Pakistani po yung may-ari niya na mabait naman sa amin. They provided us what we needed during that time kasi nakita niya talagang walang-wala naman nga talaga kami. At si June actually ang unang nakahanap nitong trabaho nito sa akin. There were 3 job interviews during that time. for me in different parts of the country.
Kasi ano, yung isa sa ano siya?
Then,
Yung
somewhere in...
Robin Hood?
Oo,
Ano
basta Nottingham yata.
Nottingham,
No?
yun.
At
Nottingham.
hindi ko na pinuntahan yun for my interview. At malapit na tayo dito sa event na
Ayun,
pupuntahan natin. Yan sa may football ground na yun, doon tayo pupunta. Pero maghanap muna tayo ng parking. So, come with us at siguro later on, habang pinapakita namin sa inyo yung event, just in case hindi kami makapagsalita, ikikwento na namin sa inyo. Kung mag-voice over na lang kami. At bakit ako nag-decide dito sa hospital na to. At ganun din na during that time, si June, nung dumating kami, if I have not mentioned it yet, wala nga siyang trabaho. At eventually, nakahanap na lang siya. Alright, maghanap na kami muna ng parking at dito rin kami namimili sa Home Bargains sa Edgeley kasi maraming mura dito sa area na ito. Alright, ito muna at maghanap muna tayo ng parking. Jun, lalakad na tayo.
Sige, lakad na tayo. Ano lang, parang nakapambahay lang ako ha. Kaya tawid mo na tayo.
Jun, nandito na tayo at ang daming tao.
Ang daming ang tao
At the same time, si Gladys nandun, isang Filipina na kasama ko during that time. Kami lang dalawa na yung na-interview.
Ito, kakain muna tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong maano dito.
Ayan yung pagkain natin, maraming sandwiches. Hindi ko alam kung maabot pa sa atin. At saka may soup doon. At nandito lahat, si June. Yung June, malapit na tayo sa lamesa.
Daming tao. Sa likod ko, ang daming tao rin eh.
At yung mga kilala mo.
Maraming kasabayan ko ng katrabaho. Nandito lahat. Ano yan? Ano ka ba? Coconut po. Sarap ka talaga. Sobra na. Let's go. Sit down. Kain muna ako. Kain muna ni.
June,
Halika na.
pinakamaganda dito kasi katabi natin yung tea and coffee.
Nasa likod lang eh. Halika, magano na tayo. Kain muna tayo. Antayin natin yung awarding.
So it is a really special occasion, and special because even though we try and give thanks as much as we can across the trust, this is a real good opportunity to publicly thank you for your years from job to job. There's lots of people that go starting in the first career and quite keen to change their careers, and that's fine. But that's the new way of the world, and I think that makes today even more special that we're in a room with people that have shown such dedication over many, many years. A recent study showed that millennials, so young people, so age 28 to mid-30s,
We'll just do one more just before the break. Gemma, can I invite you to come and join us, please?
Isa lang yung tinatawag mo. Isang tao lang. Ano kaya ito? Madami pa yan. May 20, may 30 years pa.
Yung health visiting team, ang dami nila. 40
Sa atin,
years.
mga ano pa,
40
tagal
years
pa.
and 30 years.
Ayan. Congrats.
Sa atin, nandiyan tayong tatlo.
Ha? Mamaya, ano ko na lang doon.
Dalawa tayo, nandun tayong tatlo eh.
No, doon na madali na lang doon.
Yan, kasama ko si Gladys. Sabay kami nag-interview noon. 20 years ago.
Tayo.
Sa ganda-ganda pa rin ni Gladys. Sexy pa rin. Hindi ba ako na Gladys?
Diba mataba na nga tayong dalawa?
Grabe ka rin siya.
Hindi ko alam kung may kakilala siya.
Hindi, meron si Robin. Pero ibang department siya eh.
June,
Yan.
come on. June, sila malapit tayo sa chat. sa coffee. Ang dami.
Hindi ka pwede minom, no? Mapapaihi ka dito. Mapapabanyo ka doon. Matagal pa, no? At nag-aantay pa rin tayo.
Thank you. So I have a citation from B.G. Matthews for you today. So you started your career as a healthcare assistant in 2004, and what we hear is that you're very hard-working and conscientious in this role, and you always work to the highest standards that is thought of highly by all patients, colleagues, and other healthcare professionals. You treat everyone as you would like to be treated yourself, with respect and kindness. You're an asset to the team and the trust, and it's an absolute pleasure to work alongside. In addition to your healthcare role, you play a valuable role in keeping our organisation and trust safe as you're a fire warden and been doing that for more than 10 years. Outside of work, you're married with 2 children, you're very active and work outside of work enjoying working out, doing carpentry, gardening, going on holidays and also spending time with family. But you get some rest as well, you deserve it. But congratulations, thank you.
Can I invite Sheila from our stroke team, please? Hello, Sheila. 20 years, thank you very much. So this is from Alison Jones. She describes you as being an individual that shows outstanding commitment and dedication by your 20 years award here today. You completed your nursing degree in 1995 and you worked in theatres, the emergency departments, orthopaedics before joining Stockport in 2004 as part of the stroke unit. Throughout your career you have demonstrated excellent clinical expertise, compassionate patient care and dedication to improving the lives of service users. You're an extremely valued member of the team on board E1 and they are very proud to celebrate this remarkable milestone in your career. So thank you very much indeed, Sheila.
So Tracy, do you want to come and join us from our endoscopy team? Hi Tracy, so congratulations on 20 years of your career. So you started the short stay unit at Stepping Hill Hospital in 2004, then moved to Scotland for a period of time. You came back to Stockport in 2008 and took a role within the Community Trust, and then successfully applied to work for the endoscopy team as a booking officer. Tracy's worked in endoscopy since 2006.
Okay, tapos na. Patapos na.
I think you'll all agree it's been an absolutely fantastic afternoon. I mean, it's really short and sweet, so I'm conscious we have run over time, but it's been an absolute joy and pleasure to be part of this. And just sort of standing there and watching all of your faces and you hear your colleagues' citations being done out, even colleagues that you don't know or haven't worked with, you know, you all really support each other. And that's why people want to come and work at Stockport. You know, our values, our culture. We've got a really great team and it's been brilliant to be here today. So congratulations again. We've spent quite a lot of today looking backwards in the past. All of you here that got long service awards are a real inspiration to our up-and-coming colleagues, our trainees, our students, people that really want to progress in the NHS. So thank you for our future workforce. Hopefully we'll see them still here in 20, 30, 40 years time. So I don't know if there's any after parties arranged, but if there isn't, I'll suggest you do. It's Friday night. But if not, go home, enjoy the weekend, and thank you very much. Congratulations.
Wait, my phone.
Kaya sa likod yan. So, it's
Already? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Yes, yes.
She was my band 6.
Yeah, she was here. So, Ambos, chickens from BG.
I know. Proxy for BG. BG's not here. Sorry, BG. Oh, Sheila, tapos na.
Yes, tapos na. Long-term
Tapos na.
service award.
Yan, dito, ang daming tao kanina. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I know, it's finished. That was good, wasn't it?
So it's
Ayan,
really nice.
20 years service nandito.
At
Nandito
yung
na tayo
mga
sa
40 years.
40 years yung iba. Ito yung Stockport County. Ito yung football grounds nila. Yan.
Baka
Ikaw, hold it. Ikaw na,
mahulog
hold
mo
it.
yung voucher.
Halika, pabalik na tayo. At i-celebrate naman natin kasama sila Ethan at sila Miguel.
Nakakatuwa lang yung mga dating kasamahan mo. Yung nag-a-apply pa nga or nagsisimula pa lang nakita mo ulit.
Mga tumanda na talaga.
Natanda ako si Gladys, kami lang dalawa. Nung nag-a-apply kami, kami lang dalawa yung natawag for interview.
Yan, halika na. Punta tayo car park. Yan na, Sheila. Nakauwi na tayo.
Yes! Tingnan natin
Yeah.
kung ano yung ano natin. Dito tayo kasi si Miguel naglalaro.
Laro itong mga batang to. 20 years service.
20 years of service. Tingnan mo naman.
Ilaw mo dito.
Wow!
Ilaw natin.
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung ating mga
Nakuha.
nakuha.
Yung mga
So,
ating
meron
goodies.
tayong isang, ano ba ito? Lucky?
Recognition.
Recognition
Ang
na...
isang voucher.
Oops! One for all gift cards.
Congrats sa ating dalawa sa ating 20 years sa NHS.
That's true. Congratulations to
Ito yung badge ko ito.
at saka sa lahat na nagtatrabaho sa NHS.
Congrats yung mga nakasama natin.
Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Irregardless of your just
20 years.
1 year, 2 years, 3 years. But
congrats
for as long as
mga
you're
nagawa.
working with the NHS, congratulations sa
congrats.
inyo.
Iba
Because
may
it's not
40 years
easy.
pa, no?
It's not easy to work in the NHS. At yung iba nga, 40 years, 40 years na.
Ano naman yun ni? IT?
Oh, wait, ano ka, sobra ka.
Grabe, no?
Tsaka yung mga community.
Oh, yun. Congrats sa inyo lahat. At yun.
I don't think I'm gonna reach to about 40 years.
40,
sa
sobra na
NHS.
yun, no?
Sobra,
Mga
sobra
30
na
years
yun.
na siguro.
30 years, I think,
Pwede
would
na
be.
yun.
So, here's to the next 10 years.
Oh, 10 years pa sa NHS. Sa mga nagtatrabaho sa NHS, congrats sa inyo. Mga na 10 years na, 20 years, 30 years onwards, no?
Congratulations sa ating
Maraming
lahat.
salamat sa panonood sa aming channel, Filipino Family
Ay,
News.
sandali.
Bakit?
Nagbabay na ako. Hindi pa pala.
Okay lang yun. Oh, sige.
Alright.
Yan.
Bye.
Bye.